Hi, my little chickadees. Today I'm going to read If You Give a Dog a Donut. It's written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. You know how much I like their stories. If you give a dog a donut. Oh, look, there's the dog at the door. If you give a dog a donut. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Look at that happy dance. He's one happy dog. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. I could see my dog doing that. I think my dog would pretend he's a pirate. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string to make the kite. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks you for some apple juice, do you know what's coming next? Just like all of her books, we'll go back to the beginning. He'll want a donut to go with it. All of her books always end up back at the beginning, just where it started, right? And there's the dog with the donut. Well, if you remember, the dog in this book did a happy dance. So as I leave you today, how about if you get up and you do a happy dance? And I'll see you again another day. Bye!